Hello, everyone. I don't know whether there's any country in Nigeria that actually gets a lot of disrespect from those who are supposed to be, leading them the way Nigeria gets disrespect from the people who find their way in government, even those who do so illegitimately. Or should I say, more so from those who do so illegitimately. So I saw this report yesterday and I was sort of like, I was like, I didn't even know whether to laugh or whatever it is. It says, Tinubu to unveil 11 natural products in October 2024 to ease healthcare costs of Nigerians. People are battling real healthcare costs, and all that Tinubu is thinking about is unveiling some natural products. Why are you unveiling those natural products? Why are you not using them? The same person who goes to France to go and access really good quality healthcare system to take care of himself, and instead of sitting down, it is currently an emergency in the healthcare sector. We have a lot of our healthcare workers who have left the country, who have jackpot as the popular slogan that is being used for those who have emigrated. And we have not even those who are there, they are not well paid, they are not well taken care about. We are talking about equipment, lack of the basic equipment. If you have, there are private hospitals, of course, that cost eye and teeth for you to be able to access them. People are dying because they can't access the basic care. Instead of them to sit down and actually put an emergency in the whole of this thing and begin to look at what are the things that need to be done to solve this problem. But what they are doing is to abuse our sensibilities. So why is the same Tinubu not using these products to take care of it? That's the best way for you to tell us that, oh, we can rely on these natural products and not, and even things are very expensive, the healthcare facilities, the healthcare, the drugs and all of that expensive, then we can use this. But let me look at this report, you know, the way they have it out here. So the first thing here, it says, like I've read earlier before, Tinubu to unveil 11 natural products in October 2024 to ease healthcare costs of for Nigeria. That's October. We are in March. They're telling us what they're going to do in October. That is really not even about really solving the problem. It said Bola Tinubu is poised to launch 11 natural health products in October 2024 to revolutionize healthcare in Nigeria. This announcement comes at a crucial time when Nigerians are grappling with escalating prices of conventional medicine. Uche Geoffrey Nnaji, the Minister of Innovation, Science and Technology, expressed the expansive nature of the initiative, stating, "These are not the only products we have. We still have 15 to 20 products on the shelf." The emphasis on research and development funding was underscored by Nnaji, emphasizing the need for continued exploration on this vital sector. The launch of natural products highlighting the dire health challenges facing the nation. Professor Martins Emeje, the Director General of Nigeria Natural Medicine Development Agency, revealed not fewer than 25 million people are sufferers of sickle cell anemia in Nigeria. We have a sickle cell product that has the highest number of plant extracts in the world, and we have one for diabetes. We have done all the necessary laboratory and animal testing and investigation, and we can say these products work. What you should know: with Tinubu set to unveil these groundbreaking products, the move is expected to generate around 2 million jobs, providing a substantial economic boost. Professor Emeji emphasized Nigeria's potential, stating Nigeria has the highest plant biodiversity in Africa. So if you're talking about contribution to health in the herbal area, is Nigeria not supposed to be number one? He said, "We are ready to get Nigeria out of the chain of slavery of the 21st century, which essentially is what importation does to us." That's what he said. Driven by the renewed hope agenda of Tinubu, Professor Martins Emejo, within a short tenure, introduced 6 new products targeting sickle cell anemia, diabetes, upper respiratory tract infection, anti-aging, and more, showcasing a commitment to advancing natural medicine and enhancing the nation's health landscape. It's so irritating how these people think that propaganda is what they're going to use for governance. You can see all of these whatever here. Just get to the fact that the economy is failing, everything is failing. And so whatever they can do to just drag people's attention and whatever, that's just simply what they're doing. The enormity of the problems that we have at ground, it doesn't seem to affect them. So this is more or less like Tinubu trying to sell agbo, to us, and telling us that it cures every disease, it does this, it does that. Is that the solution to the problem we have now? I have nothing against natural remedies. Fantastic, they are good. Why is Tinubu focused on that? Why are you telling me that that's what's going to cause this my neighbor's dog? Anytime I am doing a video, it's always barking. But anyway, now that we've been interrupted, why have you not subscribed? Please do. Thank you. It's quite annoying the way they just play with our sensibilities and just do everything anyhow and things the way they just want to, without really care, for the people. So now all of this is just that propaganda towards telling us that, oh, they're doing something and they're going to bring in the millions of whatever dollars through importation, or through the stopping of through export, or through stopping of importation. They're going to save this cost and that cost. Why don't this particular director general sit down and begin to treat Tinubu with the remedy, with all of these natural remedies that he has here? Why do we have, medical tourism still going on by those who are who rig their ways into office, those who are elected into office, those who are appointed into office, and all of that? Those, we have so much, so much problem. Like I said earlier on, we have so much problem, and yet we just think that, oh, it's by what do you call it now, propaganda, that we're going to get all of these problems. So that's not the way these things work. And I think uh, as citizens, honestly, we also have to take the blame on this, because we allow a lot of these things go unchecked. We allow them to continue with their nonsense, and what they're going to do is that they're going to get more emboldened. And I tell you, as the days go on, and the months go on, and the years go on, if we really don't do anything to stop all of this nonsense that these people who have rigged their ways into office continue to do, they're going to do more. They're going to get more emboldened. Since they have an enabling environment for them to continue to do whatever it is they're doing, that's what they're going to do. So you got it here. So they're telling you that that agbo, that whatever, begin to look for it, because that's what they are now telling us. We should focus on natural remedies if these things are too expensive for us, the ordinary citizens. Here are natural substitutes that we should use. Meanwhile, they don't use those natural substitutes. They don't use the healthcare system in Nigeria. They've given themselves and their families the best opportunity they can. I've always said this thing. During COVID-19, you saw the rich also dying. Yes, the rich don't pray more to God. They don't have better anything. What they have is access to good quality healthcare system. And during COVID-19, when there was lockdown and people could not leave their country, guess what happened? The rich were also dying.